Welcome to Grow My Saving. Here's a question for you. What if the secret to saving more money wasn't about earning more, but simply about changing a few small habits? Because when it comes to building wealth, it's not the big one-time moves that count most. It's the small, consistent habits that quietly add up over time. In this video, we'll explore how small daily choices can lead to big financial results, and how to make those habits stick for life. Let's start with something simple. If you save just $5 a day, that's $150 a month and $1,100 a year. Now, if you invest that money instead, earning a 7% annual return, it could grow to over $25,000 in 10 years. That's the magic of compound growth plus consistency. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start small and stay steady. Whether it's bringing lunch from home, using cashback apps, or setting up auto savings, every small step adds up. Remember, tiny habits become big results when repeated over time. The best way to build a saving habit is to connect it to something you already do. Here are a few examples. After payday, automatically transfer 10% to savings. When you get coffee, move the same amount to your savings app. Every Friday night, review your spending before you relax for the weekend. These simple if-then triggers make saving automatic, not something you have to remember. You can also try roundup apps that invest your spare change, or use separate bank accounts for savings goals. That way, you're not tempted to touch what's meant to grow. Here are a few tiny habits that can have a big long-term impact. Set and forget automatic transfers. Treat savings like a bill. Use a 24-hour rule before impulse buying. If you still want it tomorrow, go for it. Cancel one unused subscription per month. That's instant cash flow. Track one spending category weekly. Awareness alone can cut costs. You don't need to change your whole lifestyle, just improve 1% at a time. Because saving isn't about restriction, it's about direction. Here's the best part. Every time you choose to save, you're building something bigger than money. You're building discipline and peace of mind. It's not about how fast you go, it's about consistency. Those small habits today are planting the seeds for your future freedom tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to Grow My Saving. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow faster than you think. If this video inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's trying to save better this year.